Ilocos Norte is a famous tourist destination, located in the northern tip of Ilocos Region, that is known for its culture and nature. The province capital is located in Lawag City, popularly known as the Sunshine City. In front of the provincial capital is Aurora Park, formerly called Plaza de Alfonso XII. Monument erected in 1881, dedicated to the King of Spain, for terminating the tobacco monopoly. Near the park is St. William the Hermit Cathedral, popularly known as Lawag Cathedral. It was built in 1612, by the Augustinian friars. Centuries-old bell tower, built by the Augustinian friars in 1612, that had sunk considerably unevenly, thus, popularly called, the sinking bell tower of Lawag City. Located in the municipality of Pawai, is the St. Augustine Church, commonly known as Pawai Church. Completed in 1710, it is one of the UNESCO World Heritage Sites under the category of Baroque churches in the Philippines. At the side of the church, are huge buttresses designed to fortify it against possible destruction from earthquakes. Beside the church is a three-story coral bell tower, constructed separately from the church building. Also located in the municipality of Pawai, is the Malacanang of the North. It was built in 1977, by the Philippine Tourism Authority, for the 60th birthday, of then-President Ferdinand Marcos, that served as the official residence of the President's family, in Ilocos Norte. It is now a historical house museum, and a popular tourist attraction, in the Ilocos region. Overlooking at the back of the museum, is Pawai Lake, a freshwater lake, that is considered the largest lake in the province. Another popular tourist attraction in Pawai, is the Sand Dunes Adventure. It is a thrilling adventure on board an open 4x4 vehicle, cruising through uneven terrain, of the sprawling Pawai sand dunes. In the coastline of Carimao, a municipality 25 kilometers from Lawag City, is Pango Coral Rock Gardens. This extensive rock garden is a series of tidal flats, rock pools and coralline rock formations that stretch for more than 2 kilometers in Barangay Pango. Facing the West Philippine Sea, the place has a picturesque view of the sunset. In the city of Batok, the birthplace of former President Ferdinand E. Marcos, is another Spanish-era church. The Immaculate Conception Church is an old church built in 1692. That had undergone renovations. Beside the church compound, Batok Riverside Empanada Hall. It is a famous food court in Batok, with several stalls selling mostly empanada, a signature food in Ilocos, particularly in Batak and Vigan. Empanada is a pastry, stuffed with vegetables like bean sprout, and other fillings like egg and longaniza, wrapped in crust made of flour. Another popular delicacy in Ilocos is the longaniza, which is a native sausage, made of ground pork, and lots of garlic. And also bagnet, which is a pork belly, boiled and deep-fried, until it is crispy. San Nicolas de Tolentino Church is another Spanish-era church, located in the municipality of San Nicolas, 3 kilometers from Laoag City. The church was reconstructed in 1693, with a Baroque facade that bears the Spanish coat of arms. Along the highway in the municipality of Pasukan, are roadside stalls selling bags of salts. Salt making is one of the chief industries in Pasukan, and known for the finest salt in the Philippines. Cape Bojador Lighthouse, also known as Burgos Lighthouse, is a cultural heritage structure in the municipality of Burgos. It was established during the Spanish colonial period, and was first lit on March 30, 1892. The 66-foot-tall octagonal stone tower sits atop the Vigia de Nagpartian Hill, overlooking the scenic Cape Bojador. In the coastal area of the municipality of Burgos, fronting the roaring waves of Bongi Bay, is a beautiful tourist destination, where nature is at its best. The Purawan Rock Formation. The rock formation can be reached by trekking for few minutes, passing through the statue of Biag ni Lamang, an Ilocano epic poem. Purawan Rock Formation is an art of nature, featuring a landscape of smooth ivory limestone, produced by the natural process of sedimentation. It was formed thousands of years ago, by accumulation of particles, deposited to the shore by the forces of sea waves and wind, with the aid of gravity and time. After Burgos, is the municipality of Bongi. The town is popular for the Bongi wind farm. The wind farm consists of 20 Vestas wind turbines, arranged in a single row, stretching 9 kilometers along Bongi Bay, facing the West Philippine Sea. Each wind turbine is 70 meter high, with 41 meters long blades, and a rotor diameter of 82 meters, and has a maximum production capacity of 1.65 megawatts of electric power. Overlooking at the far end of the beach, located on the hilly area of the municipality of Burgos, is another wind farm. The Burgos Wind Farm is the second wind farm built in the province of Ilocos Norte, and the largest project of its kind in the Philippines. The northernmost tip of Ilocos Norte is Potta Pad, the last town before reaching the province of Cagayan. Potta Pad is a coastal town, and is famous for its white sand beaches, and other beautiful natural wonders. One of the popular beaches in Potta Pad is Saog Beach. It is considered as the crown jewel of Potta Pad, that features a long stretch of creamy white sand shore, deal waters, coconut trees, and thrilling waves. At one end, short tunnel in the headland, covered with vegetation. Just a few meters away from Potta Pad Cave is Tamangtang Rock. It is a bell-shaped rock, and is believed to be part of Potta Pad Cave. They are also known as Lover's Rock, being Tamangtang Rock as the male, and Potta Pad Cave as the female. One of the most scenic and most photographed tourist destinations in Ilocos Norte is the Potta Pad Viaduct. It is located in the coastal side of the mountains of Potta Pad, facing the Pawai Lake. The bridge is 1.3 kilometers long, that connects the Immaculate Highway, from Ilocos Region to Pawai Valley. It is one of the 10 longest bridges in the Philippines. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.